Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff, and I'm doing my day trading recap for Friday, July 26, 2019. So, at the open, we had a ton of stocks that were on the gappers list, and it was a bit overwhelming. I'm not really used to having that many stocks gapping up on a Friday, so there was a lot to watch. At the open, a lot of the stocks were pretty volatile, but I really liked MGM and how it was moving. At the open here, MGM came down, sold off, but bounced off the 200-day moving average on the 1 minute chart. Also, I like to watch the 15 and 30-minute chart, while I'm watching certain stocks. So I noticed that this thing sold off and it bounced off the 20 moving average on the 30-minute chart. So I knew that this thing was bullish, right? It was buying pressure, buying off those moving averages. Once this thing punched through VWAP, I really wanted to wait for a pullback to make my good entry. So that first 5 minute, which is the opening range breakup, which is after the first 5 minutes, you kind of want to get in anywhere inside the candle or the break of that candle. So I like to get as close to VWAP as I can. Also, when this thing pulled back, giving me an opportunity to get in, I noticed on that 1 minute printed a nice, beautiful hammer, bullish hammer. So right when I saw that, I went long. I set my stop at the break of VWAP, the break and close of VWAP right here. Um, and yeah, this thing ended up working out really, really well for me. So right when it punched up, I took partials at a key level at 31.25 that we find in pre-market. It's based on the daily chart, finding support and resistance level. So that was a level that I saw an opportunity to take profits. It got up to 31.53, which was another area that we found. Took more profits, and then I took profits around the 31.60 area. And then I left some on the table because I really wanted to see if this thing can get to 3208, which was 3208 or a little bit lower than that, which was aftermarket highs of yesterday. So I left the little shares there to see, and then I noticed that this thing started to consolidate for a while on the 1 minute chart right here on the 9. And then I started to get that feeling on the level 2 and the time and sales like this thing was getting ready to push higher for another leg up here. So I actually added to my position. I added a small size. So added here. And I told myself if this doesn't immediately break up, I'm going to get out. And my stop would be the break of a new 5 minute low. So as you can see, it did print a shooting star here. And once it broke that new 5 minute low, I got all out the rest of my position there. So all in all, this was a pretty good trade for me. I actually made my goal for that for today on this one trade. So nothing beats a one and done trade, especially on a Friday. And I didn't trade anymore because I don't want to give anything back. I want to feel good going into the weekend. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, comments, feel free to leave it at the bottom, and I'll try to get to you as soon as I can. See you guys next week.